just beginning. Doge hasn't even entered the party yet. It's only just starting now. Okay, Pepe on the weekly break right now. Projector, weekly breaks right now. Beam, Sui, Uli, look at Sui. It started off with the weekly trend break. Look at that. I gave you guys that. Boom. There goes Sui straight through to the moon. So on high time frame, we're looking good. There's still a lot of more power to get going, to get pushed to the crazy levels. But it all starts off. So if you go through your alts, and I want to show you this too, guys. Wait, let's go. Gaming.
Hey, welcome to another edition of Lux Transportation, Lifestyles of a Professional Driver. On my way headed to pick up a client, about to do an airport transfer. I'm a crypto investor, so you can hear some talk about crypto in the background while I'm driving to my client's location. Take in a few news articles and what's going on in the world, see what's going on with investments. So I have a lot of time to think and have a lot of time to look at other things while I'm driving. By the way, the market has been down a lot lately. I don't know if any of you all are investors out there, but the market has been terrible. The crypto market is acting as if it wants to break out to the upside. So we're going to keep our fingers crossed for all of us crypto investors, see if we can make a few dollars. Here at the subdivision of my client. I happen to live in the country club of the South. So it's a prominent subdivision here in the Atlanta area, in the Alpharetta, Johns Creek area. Very nice homes in here. Celebrities, athletes, you name it. They're in the country club of the South. 8865. 4 hours sitting at the top. Can't complain. I mean, you know my motto.
I know it.
I woke up today.
It's a good day.
Today is a good day. So we just gonna be thankful. Because even when today is a bad day, it's still a good day.
Well said. And today is actually a beautiful day. Look at this.
Yes, it's very nice out.
Not a cloud in the sky. It's gorgeous.
It's not too hot. Too warm, just
right.
Just
Baby
a great southern day.
That's right. I'm flying out to LA to go see Caroline, our oldest, and hopefully we'll have similar weather there.
Oh. Well, LA is always nice. Flying in LAX.
I know. I'm like, that's not so nice.
Yeah, that LAX is like
isn't it as big? I was like, I put the wrong shoes on.
I feel like the Atlanta airport is easy, but some people are very confused when they come to Atlanta.
Yeah.
But I feel like Atlanta is very easy now. LA, there are so many terminals and buildings,
that's what I'm thinking.
there's just stuff everywhere.
Train? I've only last time I flew out there,
I got a little confused myself. That place is huge. There's a lot of different buildings and terminals.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on in LA.
I just remember we flew into a different airport and rented a car, but we flew out of LA, and to return a rental car in LA, I mean, that was...
Because it's not actually at the airport. It's not actually. I do remember that.
Awful.
Yeah, it's not actually at the airport. It's like a mile or two away. It's a couple miles away from the airport, and you have to take a bus.
Yes.
You have to take one of their buses from the rental place to the airport. They'll drop you off.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's a little different situation going on there.
Caroline has some, it's just me going out, but Caroline has some fun things planned, so I'm excited. She booked the tickets for us to go to an improv show. Which
in LA tonight? Tonight?
We're actually going tomorrow night.
Okay.
Tonight was sold out. But she said it was, the tickets are like...
Who was we? Chris gonna meet you?
No, he's not going.
Oh, okay.
It's just Caroline and me.
Gotcha.
But we're going out tomorrow night, and tickets were only like $18, not bad. But she goes, there's this one girl, I really love her. She's so funny, but she just got picked up by Saturday Night Live for the fall season. I was like, dang, this place must be pretty good then. They got that kind of talent.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to it.
It's pretty funny then.
Yeah.
Because I would imagine if she's going to get picked up by them, she's got to be pretty funny.
Yeah, she's got to be pretty good, right?
Some of those shows is extremely hilarious.
Oh, yeah.
I'm kind of missing Living Color, though. That was
such a good show.
That show was ridiculously funny.
That was so fun.
Some of the stuff could be really sarcastic.
Oh, yeah. A little off color.
Yeah, you don't know if you don't know quite if you should laugh at it or not.
I know. You're like, oh, did they just say
But
that?
in general, that was a very funny show.
Yeah.
She's in the 10th, and my son just came to the 9th.
Okay. So she's 15, turning 16?
Yeah, well, she just turned 15 in April.
Okay, gotcha.
But, so they're both actually doing okay. My son, he's struggling a little bit this year. But I think it's an adjustment coming from middle school to high school.
Yeah.
It's kind of a big difference in the type of work he's doing.
Yeah.
The expectation of what they expect him to be able to do.
Yeah.
And they go a little faster.
Well, and you know what? I mean, yeah, there's no one holding his hand anymore.
That's right. Yeah.
So teachers are kind of, you want help, you come see me.
Right. I asked him the other day because he was moping around the house because he had gotten another bad grade in his algebra, and I said, did you ask the teacher for help? No, it just seems like she doesn't want to help me. Well, she doesn't really know that you need help,
Right.
unless you say something.
Right.
You got to tell her
Right.
that you need help. But he's just so used to being able to do it quickly and easily. I think he's just in a little bit of a shell shock.
Yeah.
Just trying to navigate his way through the new high school courses.
Right. And, something that for him to consider too is if he doesn't have a grade or thinks one teacher teaches terribly and he can't understand.
That's part of it too. He says he doesn't like how she teaches.
Yeah. Right. But, every math teacher offers the help session. So he just needs to pick a different math teacher to go to their 9th grade help session.
And I told him she got her piece of paper, you don't. So you got to figure it out. You got to figure it out. You need something from her, so you got to figure it out.
Yeah.
oldest daughter, she went to college down in southern Georgia. Now I can't remember the name of the Blazers. Who are the Blazers?
Okay.
The school that their mascot is the Blazers.
Wait. In South Georgia, Valdosta?
Valdosta, yeah. See, it's my old age, it's like forgetting stuff. But so she graduated from Valdosta, and then my other daughter is a hairstylist. So she went to hair school.
Oh, wonderful.
And she's in her own practice. She does her own clients. You know, she specializes in braids and
Yeah. She's the creative one then.
yeah. Now my daughter who's 15 right now, she's an artist. She likes to draw. In particular, she likes to draw cartoon and do animated type of stuff.
Oh, all right.
So I think that she may go into animation and stuff. She's already been talking about it, that maybe when she gets ready to go to college, that she wants to go to a college that where she can do animation. So I was asking her, what did she think about the school down here in Buckhead? What's the name of that school down there in Buckhead that's for artists? I can't remember the name of the school right now. See, I can't remember anything. But if I can remember, but there's a particular school here in Atlanta that specializes in kids who have particular types of
Not SCAD.
yes, that's what I'm thinking.
All right, yes, because they have it in Savannah, and you're right, they have
They have
one here in Atlanta.
exactly. They have they particularly hone in on kids who have that are artists and have particular
right, yes, definitely
specific things in the arts.
Yes.
And so I asked her, I don't know about going there, Dad. I don't know if I want to go there. So I don't know if she wants to. I know it's expensive to go there,
Yeah.
like an arm and a leg to go there.
Is it a private college?
I'm not sure right now. I'm not sure. It probably is as much as it costs.
Yeah.
Probably is. I hear it's extremely expensive to go there.
Hopefully they would take the Hope Scholarship or whatever. So she stays in state. And where are your older daughters?
Well, my both of them live in Decatur.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they got their own places in Decatur.
Okay. Are they married?
No, they're not married.
Yeah.
No kids yet, and that's good too.
That's okay.
That's good too. One of my things of, when I was in the midst of raising my kids, I really did not want them to have children while they were in school.
Yeah.
That was one of the mistakes I made.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to repeat that with my kids. And, it can be a little devastating to you. It changes the trajectory of your life.
Right.
It can.
Right.
And so I was really trying to be mindful to try to not have anybody have kids while they're in school.
Sounds like you have succeeded.
Yes.
That's good. Now, who is it that lives in Nashville that your younger two went up to hang out with this summer?
That's one of the mothers
Oh,
of my children lives in Nashville. So sometimes if I'm like going to Cincinnati or if I might be going through there, I might take them and drop them off there.
yeah.
Yeah. Or they might go there like on the summertime, they'll go and hang out with her for the summer.
Gotcha.
That's always nice.
It's a good vacation for everyone.
Yeah, I get a little bit of a break.
Do you have any other trips planned?
Not today. You're my last trip of the day. I'm actually, though, when you were asking, do I take days off? I'm taking the rest of the day off after
Okay.
you. No, actually, no, I have to pick up a client here and then I'm off.
And then you're off.
Yeah, then I'm off.
Hopefully the timing works out for you.
Yeah, well, she just landed about 10 minutes ago.
Oh,
So
my
when
gosh.
I drop you off,
Perfect.
she may be just about ready to come on out.
Yeah.
And then after I'm done with her, then I'm done.
You grilling out tonight or going out?
No, I'm actually cooking. I'm cooking some, what I normally do is I'll cook some meals and then freeze them, so that when I come home or when the kids come home, when everybody comes home, they can just get something and heat it up and eat it.
Yeah, that's great.
So today is my day where I'll cook some meals. Today I'm going to make some chicken. I baked grilled some chicken last night in the grill in the house, not outside.
Yeah.
But there's some fish I got out that I'm going to make some tilapia, and I'm going to make some macaroni today.
Oh my gosh. So you meal prep for the week.
Exactly. And I also have a lady, a chef, who comes by sometimes, or maybe every other week, and she'll meal prep sometimes as well.
I remember you talking about that.
Yeah, her food is really good.
What is the name of that? I was trying to think of it last night. Chris and I were trying to figure out what we were doing for dinner. Something Woo.
Chef Woo.
Chef.
Yeah, Chef Woo.
All right.
Right over there in Roswell,
Yeah.
in that plaza where Wendy's is. Right down the street from you all. Chef Woo, the best Chinese food I've had in the city. That's my opinion.
Yeah.
Chef Woo. It's authentic Chinese cuisine. And everything I've tasted there has been just scrumptious.
Yeah, I'm totally looking into that now that I write the name down. Thinking about it.
Well, looks like we're almost at the end of the road. I hope you have a safe trip.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad. You know, I thought about Chef Woo. I thought about driving just because it was such a short, 2 days basically. But I'm glad I didn't. I just saw the signs. Everything's full. And Atlanta's
The parking here is ridiculous.
Hourly and. So if you don't mind charging this, Chris asked to charge it just to his personal Amex.
Yeah.
Since this is.
I know anytime I pick you up, it's Amex.
Okay.
I got it.
All right.
It's always a pleasure. Have a great day.
I'll see you Sunday night.
Yes, ma'am.